Good day, applicant A1200231.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Nora Lee Escopia. I'm 25 years old. I'm a single parent. We are 10 in the family. I'm the 8 and I graduate as a 2 years course is a computer system design. I'm a Catholic.
Do you have any working experience domestic helper in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I have experience here in the Philippines for 2 years. We are in the family, in one couple and 2 children. I cook simple Filipino food and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I go to market, mopping the floor and washing the dishes and clothes. For the children, my duties and responsibilities are giving food, prepare their school uniform, send a fish to school, help them in their assignment, and sometimes bring to the park.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I used to computer.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad for a better life of my family.
Do you have any message on future employer?
Yes, ma'am and sir. If you choose me as one of your servant, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm honest, patient, hardworking, and I will treat your family as my own. And I promise to finish my contract. Hope to see you soon. And ma'am and sir, thank you.
Thank you and goodbye.